In today's video, I'll show you how to limit responses in Typeform step by step. If you want to control how many people can submit your form, this feature is very useful for registrations, giveaways, bookings, or limited surveys. First, open your Typeform account and go to your workspace. Then, open the form where you want to limit responses. Once you're inside the form builder, go to the Settings section of your form. Depending on your layout, this may appear under Settings, Responses, or Restrictions. Now look for the Response Limit option. Turn on the setting to limit the number of submissions. Then enter the maximum number of responses you want your form to accept. For example, if you only want 100 people to register for an event, you can set the limit to 100. Once that limit is reached, the form will automatically stop accepting new submissions. You can also customize the message users see after the limit has been reached. For example, you might display a message like "Registration is now closed," or "This form is no longer accepting responses." Another useful option is limiting one response per person. This helps prevent duplicate submissions and is commonly used for voting forms, applications, or surveys. After setting your limits, click Preview Mode and test the form to make sure everything works correctly. If your form is connected to automations or integrations, it's also a good idea to confirm that they stop processing once the response limit is reached. Before publishing, double-check your limit settings carefully because changing them later may affect your campaign or registration process. And that's it. You've successfully limited responses in Typeform and gained more control over your form submissions. And that's how you limit responses in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.